literally looks like we're moving. So that one right there, it's got pull-ups and wipes and Deuce's toiletries. That duffel's got all of me and Jeremy's underclothes and my shoes. His little activity bag for the plane. All of Deuce's clothes. Garment bag with formal night clothes. That big one's got me and Jeremy's clothes combined. Me and Deuce's carry-on. Jeremy's carry-on. Plus the stroller. I feel like we're moving. Here we go. Hey, you. Hey. Are you ready to get on an airplane? Yeah? With all this stuff? Are you ready to get on a plane? You riding? No? You not thrilled? Okay. So this is Home to Suites by Hilton in Dania Beach. My assistant Deuce is going to help with the tour. So this is a really nice hotel. It has dishes if you're staying here for a while or cooking. It has a microwave. It has a dishwasher. It also has a, watch out, Buck, a full-size refrigerator and freezer. And a full sink. Here is the bathroom. Hey. Big sink. Toilet. Glass door shower. Leave it alone. Thank you. If you come into the room, you've got a big desk with shelving and a chair. This is a lit-out sofa with an ottoman, nicely decorated furniture. It also has a curtain if you want to pull this so that the person sleeping on the sofa sleeper can have privacy. That will happen because that's Deuce's space. Big king size bed. Again, tons of space for storage. Closet, ironing board, um, the rack for your luggage, AC, more lamps. So yeah, this is no, thank you. So this is Home to Suites by Hilton, Dania Beach, Florida. We are at Walmart getting our pop and sparkling juice for the trip. And then since our room has a microwave, we are not ordering anything. We're just doing some quick microwave stuff. Hi, yeah, you say hi? Hi, okay. Okay, so with a lot of these vlogs, you're gonna see like after vlog commentary because either I was too tired to close out a vlog or I forgot some important points. Blame the pregnancy brain. So for this one, since it was travel day, I will say the bag that I packed for Deuce with snacks and activities was very beneficial. We used it mostly at the gate waiting to board the plane. He literally only lasted during takeoff, and then he went to sleep, and he slept the entire of the flight. Praise the Lord. He did not have a nap the day that we left. I don't know whether that played a factor or whether the Tylenol played a factor. His pediatrician suggested to me to give him a dose of Tylenol 30 minutes before we got on the flight to help with his ears popping, since a kid is not going to wear earplugs or they're not going to chew gum, they're just going to swallow it. So he was knocked out. Pregnant moms who are traveling, make sure that you get plenty of rest. It will tire you out. Our flight didn't leave until I think like 2 something in the afternoon, and I really didn't do much that morning other than making sure that everything was taken care of around the house. By the time that we got through all the whole security thing and flying and getting baggage and checking into the hotel, then you saw we went to Walmart. After that, I was exhausted. I didn't want to do anything else. So make sure to know your body. And allow yourself enough time to rest. I know a lot of people like going sightseeing if they're there a day early, but just rest your body so that you can really enjoy yourself on your trip the days to come. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Travel day was rather smooth. We flew Southwest, so we got to use the small children family boarding, which is after the A group. So we were like, there were like 60 people ahead of us, which was not bad at all. We got some really good seats, and of course, we got a whole row to ourselves. So thank you for watching this vlog. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions with regards to traveling with a toddler, traveling while pregnant, or traveling on your way to a cruise, feel free to leave those in the comments. Until next time, bye.